Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write an ebook, complete ebook from scratch without any plagiarism. So let's go to the new chat and we'll start writing an ebook. Assuming we don't even know what you are going to write about. We just have an idea of the topic that you want to write about. For example, let's say internet marketing. We want to write a book about internet marketing using Facebook. So let's say we don't have an idea about topic, we don't have an idea about the outline, and we don't have the idea about the different chapters that we're going to cover. So let's try ChatGPT and see how far can we go in writing an ebook that has to do with internet marketing using Facebook. Okay, so let's say, let's talk about the titles first. Okay, can you give me 10 titles of an ebook in focusing on internet marketing using Facebook? Can you give me 10 titles of an ebook focusing on internet marketing using Facebook? Okay, so let's ask it and let's hear the response. 10 titles, and from those titles we'll select the ones that we want. Sure, here are 10 possible titles for an ebook on internet marketing using Facebook. So the first one is Facebook Marketing Blueprint, a step-by-step guide to growing your business online. You see, maximize your reach, the power of Facebook advertising for small businesses. The Facebook Marketing Handbook, a comprehensive guide for promoting your brand on social media. You see, from likes to leads, how to drive sales and conversation with Facebook marketing. The Facebook Marketing Playbook. I think these are fantastic topics, titles that we can easily select and write complete book about. Okay, the Facebook Marketing Guide for Beginners, everything you need to know to get started. Facebook Marketing Mastery, proven techniques for driving traffic and generating leads and boosting your online sales. Okay, the ultimate guide to Facebook marketing, how to build a strong online presence and connect with your target audience. Okay, and the 10th one is Facebook Advertising Simplified, a no-nonsense approach to promoting your business and growing your online presence. So these are 10 topics that ChatGPT has submitted to us. Now let's say we want the first one, or take the last topic, which is Facebook Advertising Simplified, a no-nonsense approach. I like the number 10. So we can just ask it to give us, can we have an outline in title number 10? Okay, so can we give an outline of the last option? So let's see. Sure, here's a possible outline for the book, for the ebook, Facebook Advertising Simplified, a no-nonsense approach to promoting your business and growing your online presence. So you can see it has automatically know we are talking about Facebook Advertising Simplified because we put number 10. You can see the introduction. Okay, these are introduction, explanation of the importance of Facebook advertising, overview of what will be covered, setting up a Facebook business page, step-by-step instructions for creating a Facebook business page. You can see the different steps, okay, different overview. You can see even the conclusion part that has given us the summary of key takeaways from the book and the final thoughts and next steps for growing your online presence in this. And then we can go ahead and say, can you give us 10 chapters on this? 10 chapters or this topic. So let's wait and see. Certainly here are 10 chapters on Facebook Advertising Simplified. You see it's so on point. So you can give you the chapters: introduction, setting up a Facebook business page, understanding Facebook ads, creating a Facebook ad campaign, step by step, optimizing your Facebook ads, and then tracking and measuring your Facebook ad campaigns. You see all the 10 chapters that you have requested have been given to you directly using this very fantastic AI. So it has given you the description. These chapters cover the key concepts, strategies, tactics involved in Facebook advertising, from creating a strong online presence and understanding the different types of Facebook ads to optimizing campaigns, tracking results, and scaling your efforts over time. By the end of the book, this is a summary. By the end of the book, readers should have a clear understanding of how to use Facebook advertising to grow their business and reach their target audience. I think this is superb and fantastic because it uses the language, it uses the technical words, and it comprehensively tells us exactly what you are looking for. Now we can go ahead and say, can you write the introduction? Write the first chapter, introduction. Write first chapter, which is introduction, and it will know we are talking about introduction. So hit on enter, and chapter 1, introduction, Facebook advertising, why it matters for business. So you can see with over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook is one of the largest and most widely used social media platforms in the world. As a business owner, you can see the different different types. Okay, so it's now giving you content on chapter 1. You can see now we are moving to exceptional content in the book we are just writing. So no need for you to hire anybody. You can write, and this is plagiarism free, error free. Even you can see it has checked everything. The grammar is fantastically connected, and all the content, all you need is just to tell it specifically what you want, and it's going to write it for you. And you can see now it's giving us content directly. So look at what it has written in the introduction. You can see it has given us this much. If you want, you can ask it to write more content. You can see write more content, and it will still continue. Sure, here's an additional content on chapter 1. Okay, you know we're still talking about chapter 1, and it's the power of Facebook advertising. So it will give you more and more content as you wish. Okay, depending on how many pages you are targeting in your book, how big do you want it to be, you can ask it to keep writing, write more. The only thing you need is just to copy it and paste it on your Word document, and then try to format it accordingly to fit in your content. You can just go ahead and provide the cover page and all that, and other specific preliminary pages like the dedication, the cover page, just to meet up with the formats. So you can see even it gives you a conclusion. In this chapter, we'll cover this much, and you can see now you are certain. If you are certain with what you have and you like what it generates, you can go ahead and copy and paste it as of chapter 1. And if you don't want, you want it to add more, you can say add more, but be very specific with this. Okay, you can just add if you specify the areas that you want to talk about. So now let's go back to chapter 2. Chapter 2 is, okay, let's see where is chapter 2. So chapter 2 is setting up a Facebook page. So let's ask it to write content on chapter 2. Write content on chapter 2. Okay, so this is it. Chapter 2, understanding Facebook ads platform and targeting options. So you can see it's just going to give you directly. These are the content for chapter 2. So you just follow targeting options on Facebook, setting up a Facebook advertising account. So these are the steps. Demographic information. You see these are steps. Behaviors, interests, custom audiences. These are targets, lookalike audiences. And you can check around by using these targeting options. You can ensure that your ads are seen by the right people and that they are highly relevant and engaging. So this is a conclusion about what it has written in this chapter. So this is chapter 2. You can go ahead and type and add content if you want. You can say add content or elaborate more on the target parameters. You can say write more on the targeting options. For example, targeting options, write more on the targeting options, and you'll be surprised it's going to write more. Sure, here's an additional information on Facebook targeting options, demographics, and it's going to give you more detail about the option called demographic information. You can see it has given you more. It's still giving you more. Interest, now it's going to take them one by one and give you more details on what you will need. So you can see it has given you more detail on interest. And then behavior, you can see it's now writing and telling you more about the behaviors of people, and custom audiences, and you can see how much information it's giving you. So you can see you can do virtually anything with this. Just know how to go about the specifics. Look at our audiences, you can see, just know how to search and how to relate with the platform, and I assure you, you will get all what you need. You just have to learn how to use it, how to connect with it, and do all the things that you require. So that you can see it has given us all the details of it. Look at what it has added: demographics, interest, behavior, custom audiences, lookalike audiences, and many more. Gives us another conclusion at the end. Just now go back and we connect and try to find out the details and then construct your book. Very, very easy and nice. So another thing, you can ask it to write about the next chapter, or you can ask it to write content on the last chapter. Go ahead and write for the remaining chapters. Just ask it, write content on the last chapter, and look at what it will give you. Chapter 10 is measuring and optimizing your Facebook ad campaigns. You can see it gives you the exact details, and it connects easily because we are in the same conversation, we are in the same prompt. So you know it knows exactly what chapter 10 is all about. So we look at, just teach you the content. Yeah, it's now left for you to copy it out, or go ahead and write and put it in your book, your Microsoft Word document, and then try to format it to suit your content. and go ahead and provide the preliminary pages, and you're done with your book. So very easy. You can write a book fantastically on any topic from here. And you can see now, up to now, it's still writing your chapter 10. So just wait for it to finish. And then we can ask it to write the conclusion also. And maybe ask it to write some references also. You can do all this. You can see it's still writing. So it has given us the conclusion. With that, we come to the end of this book on the internet marketing using Facebook. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you are now armed with the knowledge and tools you need to create successful ad campaigns on Facebook. Look at that. Very nice and very fantastic. Who wouldn't love this? Now, let me ask you to write a fantastic conclusion for the entire book, a general conclusion for the book. So let's see what it's going to write. So conclusion. In this book, you explore the world of internet marketing using Facebook and providing you with information and tools you need to create successful ad campaigns on this powerful platform. You can see, so by following the tips and tricks, best practices outlined in this book, you can tap into the massive potential of Facebook as a marketing channel and reach out your target audience effectively. So you can see through the summary, very, very nice. We hope that this book has been helpful to your journey of mastering internet marketing using Facebook, and that you will continue to use this knowledge to drive growth and success for your business. Thank you for reading, and best of luck with your ad campaigns. You can see very nice ending, okay, or conclusion. So let me ask you to lastly write a reference for me for the book, though there's no need for us to have. You can see references. Okay, Facebook ad chapter help center. You can see 2022. It picked it 2022. It shoot from this website. Facebook for Business 2022. Wow, I'm surprised. It's giving us latest references. Okay, retrieve from this website. 2022. Social Media Examiner 2022. Buffer 2022. How to create Facebook ads. A step-by-step guide. Retrieve from this website. 2022. You can see the references it has used. Very, very nice. Sprout Social 2022. These are latest. You can add more references, or you can say add later references, or you can say add older references. Can you add older references? You see, can you add older references? Can you add older references? You see, sure, there are some older references that you find helpful. See, 2015, Kanye 2010, Padlove 2014, Hollis 2012, you see, Posner 2011, and Martin 2011. All you need is just to tell the AI tool what you want. This is Word 2009, Zarela 2008. These are books. These books were published before the knowledge of cutoff of 2021, and they contain information that is no longer accurate or relevant. We understand. Yes, we are just so grateful for this. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see how far you have written, how much content you have written in the span of seconds. So just for you to learn and find meaning, or be very specific with what you want, ChatGPT can get you exactly what you need and how you need it, or when you need it, how fast do you need it. You can get it for you. So this is a bit about how to use ChatGPT to write a complete book on any topic of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I think that does it for this tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.